Stop everything. Before you take another sip of Coca-Cola, you need to see this. What I'm about to show. You will completely change the way you look at that bottle forever. I used to drink it like everyone else, until I discovered something so unexpected, so simple that now I only use it for this. Stay with me, because by the end, you might never use Coca-Cola the same way again. Let's start preparing it together. First, grab a bar of soap. Any soap will work, but if you have white soap at home, even better. Now, take a grater and begin to shred it slowly. You don't need the whole bar, just half is enough. As you grate it, notice the texture becoming soft and fine. This step is important because it helps everything blend smoothly later on. Once that's ready, place the grated soap into a saucepan. Now comes the part that surprises most people. Take 1 full glass of Coca-Cola and pour it directly into the pan over the soap. At first, it might look like an unusual combination, but this is where everything starts to come together. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Turn on the heat and let it cook for about 5 minutes. As it warms up, you'll see the transformation happen right in front of you. The soap slowly melts, blending with the liquid and turning into a smooth, consistent mixture. Keep stirring gently so everything dissolves evenly. What you're looking for is a creamy, uniform texture with no solid pieces left. Once you reach that point, turn off the heat and carefully transfer everything into a clean glass container with a lid. Let it cool down naturally. After that, store it in the refrigerator. It will keep well for up to 3 weeks, ready whenever you need it. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Now, let's talk about how to use it. Take a small amount of the mixture and apply it gently to your face. Spread it evenly, then massage using slow circular motions. Don't rush this step. This is where the experience really begins. Let it sit on your skin for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing it to settle completely. After that time, rinse your face thoroughly with water. Feel your skin as you wash it. You'll already notice a difference in texture. Then apply your favorite moisturizer to finish. Here's what makes this so interesting. This simple combination helps refresh the surface, lifting away buildup and leaving everything feeling cleaner, smoother, and visibly renewed. With consistent use over the next 2 weeks, the changes become even more noticeable. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. If you made it this far, comment soft skin and tell me where you're watching from. And if you try it, come back and share your experience. Because once you see it for yourself, you won't forget it.